Hi, I'm Alex.
And I'm Maya.
Welcome to Alex and Maya Science
Come
Lab.
on, Mr. Flower, just take one bite. It is delicious. Why won't you eat my sandwich?
Alex, what are you doing? You cannot feed a burger to a flower.
But Maya, he has been standing in the sun all day. He must be starving. Look, he is drooping.
He might be thirsty, but he is definitely not hungry for a sandwich. Plants don't eat food like we do, Alex. They make their own food.
Whoa, they cook? Do they have tiny little kitchens in there?
Actually, yes, they sort of do. Do you want to see how the magic happens?
Yes, let's get cooking.
Okay, to understand this, we need to learn a super cool word. Photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis? That is a huge word.
It is, but it just means putting things together with light. Imagine the leaf is a kitchen.
Okay, I am picturing a leaf wearing a chef hat.
Exactly. And inside every green leaf, there is a master chef named Chlorophyll.
Chlorophyll the chef, I like it. Is that why leaves are green? Because Chef Chlorophyll is green?
You got it. And just like any chef, he needs ingredients to cook. Ingredient number 1 is something really bright. Can you guess what it is?
Bright, hot. Is it a flashlight? No, wait, it's the sun.
Correct. The sunlight gives the energy to start cooking. Now ingredient number 2 comes from the ground.
I know this one. I use the hose for it. It is water.
Spot on. The roots drink the water up. Now for the tricky one. Ingredient number 3 is invisible. It's in the air. It's a gas called carbon dioxide.
Hey, that's the stuff we breathe out.
Exactly. We breathe out carbon dioxide and the plant breathes it in. So Chef Chlorophyll mixes sunlight, water, and air together.
And what comes out of the oven?
2 things. First, he makes sugar.
Sugar? Plants eat sugar?
Yes, that sugar gives the plant energy to grow big and strong. But there's one more thing they make, something we need. Oxygen.
Fresh air? So they take our old air and give us fresh air back?
Best trade ever, right?
Wait a minute, Maya. If chlorophyll makes the food, why do leaves turn orange and brown in the fall? Does the chef quit?
Sort of. In winter, there's less sunlight, so the tree decides to close the kitchen for a holiday. Chef Chlorophyll goes away, the green color fades, and we see the other colors underneath.
So orange leaves are just closed kitchens? That is wild.
Now here's a mind-blowing fact. Did you know that trees aren't the only ones doing this?
Really? Who else is cooking?
Tiny plants in the ocean called algae. Actually, most of the oxygen we breathe comes from the ocean, not the forests.
No way. So the ocean is like a giant invisible salad?
Something like that.
All right, everyone, it is time for the Super Solar Quiz. Can you beat my score?
Question 1. What is the name of the green chef inside the leaf? A. Chef Boyardee. B. Chlorophyll. C. Broccoli.
B. Chlorophyll.
Correct. Question 2. What do plants make for food? A. Sugar. B. Pizza. C. Dirt.
I wish it was pizza, but it is A. Sugar.
You are on a roll. Last one. What do plants give us to breathe? A. Smoke. B. Juice. C. Oxygen.
C. Oxygen. Thank you, plants.
Great job today. If you want to try this at home, look at the grass. If you cover a patch of grass with a bucket for a few days, it turns yellow.
Because the chef can't cook without sunlight.
Exactly. Before we go, let's wrap it up with a rhyme.
The sun shines down, the water flows. Inside the leaf, the magic grows. With air and light, the green chef cooks, making sugar without recipe books.
They give us air, we give them space. Plants make the world a happy place.
Thanks for watching, friends. Don't forget to eat your veggies. They're full of sunshine energy.
See you next time.